Hi, I'm Dan Fednishin, Product Manager with Double E Group, and today I'm excited to introduce you to the AutoLock II Safety Chuck, our latest innovation in safety and efficiency for web handling systems. This unit was designed for converters and OEMs looking to increase operator safety, reduce maintenance, and eliminate costly downtime. The standout feature is right here, the fully automatic locking mechanism. Unlike traditional safety chucks, which require separate action to secure or release the shaft, this unit does it all for you. No pins, no knobs. Just insert the shaft and it's locked in place. And to remove it, just push back the faceplate and it automatically disengages. Why does this matter? Simple. Less training time, fewer chances for operator error, and one less step in a process that often happens under pressure, leading to increased operator safety. The AutoLock II Safety Chuck is also designed with replaceable inserts. That means if your inserts wear or you need to swap out sizes or styles, you're not switching out the whole unit, just the inserts. Fast swap, lower cost. It's built for durability too. With a rugged construction and compact footprint, this chuck performs in high-speed, high-load environments with absolute reliability. So if you're looking to reduce risk, improve productivity, and modernize your web handling application, the AutoLock II Safety Chuck is a smart, simple upgrade. To learn more or to schedule a demo, visit ee-co.com or contact us today. I'm Dan Fednishin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.